Hello WordPress people, so in this video we are going to talk about this plugin called Ultimate Addons or Elementor. This is from Brainstorm Force and this is a premium plugin. I think there is a free version as well, but in this video we are going to talk about the premium version. So I already have installed this plugin on my local site, so I'm gonna review this plugin and let's see how does it work. And for this, you don't need a premium version of Elementor. It works fine with the free version as well. So let's see what we have in this plugin. So we have 50 plus widgets and extensions, 300 plus website templates, and 200 plus section blocks. So we are not going to check each and everything, but I'm gonna give you some overview, and we will see how this plugin works, and this will be the kind of review of this plugin. So first thing first, I'm gonna add one template over here. So let's see the demo. So they have this much of templates over here, and I like this one, so I'm gonna install this template on my local site. So let's go to Astra Site Builder, and sorry, not Site Builder. Let's go to Astra Dashboard, and okay, start a template, start building now. Okay, we do have one more plugin for building with template. So yeah, then it will ask two options. One is called block editor, another one is for Elementor. So we will go with Elementor as this plugin works with Elementor only. And yeah, so now we have list of template which we have over here. So this template name is SaaS landing page. So I'm gonna search this SaaS landing page. Should be there. It's not there. SaaS landing. Yeah, anyway, let's use what we have. Okay, here it is, SaaS landing page. So let's click this. I will keep these things as it is. So let's try to change the color pattern. Let's go with this, continue. And I am not going to select any of this thing. I'm gonna skip this and keep existing data. Now I would like to have start with fresh, so I'm gonna start build my website. So let's wait for a minute. So yeah, it is resetting everything from my side, and it will just install that specific template for me. So I like the way this displaying this progress. We can see that what is happening during this process. So it is about to finish now. So yeah, this is the first thing we have seen, that we tried that template. So it is now done. It's nice animation over here. Let's view your website. And meanwhile, I'm gonna see the dashboard as well. So let's go to plugins and let's see what happened there. It activated two more plugins. One is Your Forms and another one is this premium, Astra Pro. Okay, so yeah, our page template is here. Actually, whole site should be here, but yeah, this is the page template. And yeah, this is looking nice. Now let's try to check one of their widget. So for that I'm gonna edit this with Elementor, and here they provided the indication that which are the popular widgets for there. So I'm gonna use one of the popular content toggle. So let's see what that is. They have provided the video for each and everything, but yeah, this is the sample like toggle. If you want to display something like annual and lifetime membership plans, so you can use this toggle widget. So what I'm gonna do that here at somewhere I am going to add one toggle widget. So let's say here, and I will add toggle. So whatever widget coming from this plugin, you will see the indication over here UAE. That means Ultimate Add-on for Elementor. So I'm gonna add this toggle here. Let's put it upside. Okay, so there will be two, obviously there is toggle, so we have two options. One is this and another one is this. But okay, so toggle is here, but we can't see that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set a background color for this. Well, it's okay, it is displaying, but when we turn off, it is not displaying. So for that I'm gonna set background color. Okay, and color 2 would be this, so that we can see the button. Now okay, this is the switcher color. Now in content 1, this is the adding one, so I'm gonna say monthly, and here in the adding I'm gonna say yearly. Okay, now in this we can set the content. So we have this editor over here, we can add content via this editor. Also we can use any saved section. So currently I don't have any sections saved here. So also if you have containers saved over here, or if you have any saved page, so you can select that page as well. So as you can see, this is my page over here. So let's keep that page in the content 1, and in content 2 I will keep this text as it is. And let's save this, and now let's view this page. So here, yeah, so here we have this toggle where in monthly I added my page, existing page. Yeah, this is just for the review purpose. I know this doesn't look good, but yeah, this is to just to give you an idea how the add-on works, what add-on provides. So yeah, this is one of the widget, and yeah, you can search any widget of UAE by writing UAE, and you can check out each and every widget by your own. So that's that. So we have reviewed a widget template, and now let's see the section blocks. So here are the blocks. We can use it in the Elementor. So let's try to edit with Elementor again, and I'm gonna try to use one of their block. So let's try to add this block. I like it. Features. So let's go to the page and let's add a new page. Add it with Elementor. Let's add a new block, and first let's filter it by dark, and then I'm gonna say hero section first. So I will add this, import. Okay, then let's try to add another one, dark hero, and then features. So I'm gonna add this. Okay, let's see we can rearrange them or not. Okay, yeah, we can rearrange them. So yeah, these are the block we can use from the ultimate add-on, and let's see how it looks. I just added 2 blocks, and yeah, it is looking nice. So yeah, this is the ultimate add-on for Elementor. I'm gonna provide the link in the description section. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadeva. Hey there, so if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the wpvoyage.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development. Thank you.